This video will show you how to pair the ERT20RF thermostat to the receiver. It is important that the thermostat and receiver are positioned at least 1 meter apart. This procedure should only be carried out by your installer or a qualified electrician. Turn off the electrical supply to the receiver. On the underside of the receiver, loosen the 2 screws and remove from the backplate. On the rear there are 5 dip switches, numbered 1 to 5. Randomly change the position of 2 of the dip switches, for example 2 and 4, and replace the receiver on the backplate. Turn the mains power back on. Turn the receiver off and then on again after 5 seconds. After a short delay, the light will begin to flash red. On the ERT20RF thermostat, turn the temperature dial down to 5 degrees Celsius. Remove the thermostat from the backplate. On the rear of the thermostat, insert a paper clip and press down the sync button for 5 seconds. The light will flash red. On the receiver, the light will turn solid red, indicating that it is partially paired. Once you see the light is solid red, on the rear of the thermostat, insert a paper clip and press down the sync button for 5 seconds to confirm pairing. To test that the devices have successfully paired, increase the temperature on the thermostat to maximum. The light on the thermostat will turn solid red. On the receiver, both lights will turn red and green, confirming that your thermostat is calling for heat and has successfully paired to the receiver. Turn down the thermostat to 5 degrees Celsius. The red light on the thermostat will go off. The green light on the receiver will go off. Only the light on the receiver will remain solid red. This indicates the 2 devices have successfully paired.